Namaste, welcome beautiful soul. Welcome to day 1 of our 7 days of meditations together. I encourage you to find that spots where you're gonna be sitting for 10 minutes or maybe lying on your back. Remember to be comfortable. If you need support for your back, just find a place where you can recline your back. And whenever you're ready, we're gonna start with the day 1 of mindfulness breathing meditation. We are gonna start by closing our eyes. And I encourage you to keep your eyes closed the whole time of the meditation. By being comfortable in that sitting position, we allow the breath to run with freedom. Today meditation is about mindfulness breathing. This is the day number 1 of a 7-day journey that we're going to live together. So with your eyes closed and feeling comfortable where you are, we're gonna start by relaxing the face expression. So bring your attention to your forehead and relax the area in between your eyebrows. Then relax your eyes, your eyelashes, your eyelids. Relax your cheeks, your nose. Relax the jaw and relax the tongue of the roof of your mouth. And bring a smile to your lips, so we can relax the full face. Now direct your attention, your awareness to the tip of your nose. We are gonna try to discover our breathing pattern in a way that we haven't done before. So bringing the attention to the tip of the nose, we take the first deep breath in. We feel the air passing through the nostrils. We try to make it a little longer, a little deeper. And then we exhale everything now, for this time only, through the mouth. Now I invite you to seal your lips and continue breathing in and breathing out through the nose. We take another deep breath in. We feel the air passing through the nostrils, and we try to travel inside with that breath. We go to the lungs. We feel the lungs expanding, the rib cage moving to allow the lungs to expand even deeper. And then we exhale everything out. So breathing in and breathing out is gonna be the only task that you have today. But it's important that we connect with our own breath, that we allow ourselves to learn from our breathing, that we are here in the now, just paying attention to what's happening in our own breath. So by continue breathing in, breathing out, you notice if your breath is very short and you have it only here up in your chest or maybe your throat. Or if you're really allowing that breath to express with freedom. If you are enjoying full capacity of your lungs and your body in receiving that breath. So bring the attention again to the tip of your nose and try to take a deeper inhale. Try to move that breath all the way down to the bottom of your belly. Allow your belly to expand. Feel the lungs in expansion, the rib cage, the chest is opening. And then notice how everything works together to exhale that breath. Mindfulness breathing happens when you are aware of what's going on with your breath. When you hold space for your breath to happen, when you allow your breath to guide every moment, take another deep breath in. Breathe in with me, bringing that air all the way down to the bottom of your belly. And then send it out again, exhaling all the air out. And you continue breathing in and breathing out. The attention has to be here, on your nose, on your chest. Taking deep breath, but not forcing the breathing, but yes, allowing the breath to express with freedom. What is your breath telling you about you, about this moment? Open your inner ears and listen. Listen to the sound of your breath, outside and inside. Take another deep breath in. What's the sound of the air passing through the nostrils? What's the sound of the lungs when they are expanding? And then, with no rush, you exhale everything out and you allow that breath to flow with freedom. You empty yourself to receive the next breath, to receive the new breath. And so with no expectations, you are inhaling long and deep, and with no attachment, you exhale that breath out. And that's how you continue breathing in, breathing out. And if at any moment you feel that your attention is flying away, you just bring the attention back and you put it on the tip of your nose and you pay attention again to the next breath. And you try to discover details on your breathing pattern, things that you haven't noticed before. Because now you're breathing in a mindfulness way. You are here, just you and your breath. And you are unlocking the amazing power of your own breathing. Now I'm gonna give you a few minutes in silence for you to connect even deeper, to flow with your own breath. Because there is nowhere to go and nothing to do and no rush. And we have all the time in the world to continue breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Bring the attention to the tip of your nose and take the deepest inhale of your day so far. Feel your chest expanding and rising up to the sky. Even your heart is expanding, the lungs. And then slowly exhale everything out. Everything out. Allow that feeling of peace to arise. Being here and now, just you and your breath, that's all you need. Now bring a big smile to your lips. You can bring your hands to your heart or leave your hands on your legs. And with the deepest inhale of your day so far, you slowly start opening your eyes. Coming back to your beautiful life. We just finished day 1 of this meditation challenge. Now you're ready to enjoy the rest of your day. And I see you tomorrow to experience day number 2 of our meditation challenge and meditation series. And we're gonna do a meditation that will help us to learn how to calm down the thoughts, how to quiet the mind. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I see you tomorrow for day number 2. And you're more than welcome to repeat this meditation as many times as you wish. Thank you. I am Pau. I am proud of you. Namaste. My favorite meditation cushions are from Acna Wellbeing, and if you like them too, I'm using a Saboton and a meditation cushion that you can find in a link that I'm gonna leave below. Just use my discount code also for a wonderful discount, and I see you next time.